everyone, this is a video highlighting the installation equipment that we have for sale. Starting out on the left side, we've got a couple of the hose reel rackings. So the mount for the actual hose reel, there's one here and there's a second one here. You can see there's no scratches, no rust. All this equipment's been stored in a pull barn after it's been uninstalled. What we have leaning up against the rack is a new used Cool Machines wall scrubber. It's not battery operated, it needs to run power to it. But you can see there's no frays in the cable, none of the prongs are bent. Again, it's only been used a couple of times. The feet of the scrubber, everything's clean, it's not frayed. Here's the second one. The rack, again, no scratches, no dings, everything's been stored inside. You can tell how everything looks. The second assembly here we can talk about is the blowing hose and the attachments for that. We've got a wall spray hose, so the end of the wall spray process. We've got a couple of spray tips. I'll provide the detail outside of this video as far as which spec they are. But everything we have here is all bought at the same time. A little bit of masking tape on that, but the tube, there's no frays, there's no cracks. The whole tube is there and it goes to the reducer piece. You've got the end hose for the recycle side. It's been used a couple of times. Again, only a couple of jobs on this whole system and it's been sitting the rest of the time. There is the recycle wand. The last piece, the equipment that went on as recycle pack, this is a muffler attachment. It's just a piece to go along with. It was uninstalled out of the trailer. It sits here, no rust. We've got the attachment that sits on top of the Cool Machine CM300. This is, I believe it's for a recycle process. When we have your feed pulling in, we want to be able to recycle that air. Pull it all open, it's nice and clean. There's still a filter in there, you can see here. All nice and clean though. No rust, no scratches. A little bit of scratches on top actually on this piece, but no rust. The chain right here is in the bag. Everything we've got is right here. All the hardware to install all these pieces as well. And this is the guard for this specific piece to cover that chain. I believe it sits something like that in the trailer. But it's all there. Go back here a ways. We've got the actual motor and pump, I believe, for the recycle system, the Vac-Pak. The actual assembly that pulls vacuum for this recycle attachment. It was uninstalled out of the trailer at the same exact time. This is the wiring to adapt to a CM300. Everything's capped, nothing's frayed. And then this is the cover for that assembly. Right on top, so no dents, no dings, no rust. And we'll get over here to see what we've got for the motor spec. If we can't read that, we'll provide the extra detail in separate from the video. Everything's there. No problems with none of the belts. Everything's great. And then we've got the hose reels. There's the two that match the mounting brackets up front. Everything's sound. No breaks, no cracks, no rust. And there will be 4 50-foot 3-inch tubing that comes with those hose reels. So hose reels, Vac-Pak assembly, Vac-Pak assembly, blower hose wand, hose reel, mounting brackets, wall scrubber, and muffler. Thank you.